So task number A1.5.1 use GPS fix to plot vessel position after applying the datum error. So this is our GPS. We normally plot the position in the ECDIS. Okay, we are not plotting the position on the GPS, but you should know how to plot the position. So every manufacturer has different procedure. This is our Furono GPS, and the procedure you can find in the specific manual, this manufacturer specific manual of the GPS. So here in our, we have the option go to, then we will go to, come little bit more, you go to, yeah, and then you see the cursor is here. Okay, we enter cursor. Okay, and then here the datum is WGS 84, 11.38 nautical mile is the correction, and this is all your position is coming. Place per cursor twice on the desired location and press enter twice to finish. Okay, so you have to move the cursor where you want, like this. Okay, you have to move the cursor and keep pressing your enter button to plot the position. In this way you can plot the GPS fix inside the GPS. Okay, so normally we are not plotting our position in the ECDIS, but you should know how to plot the position. If we want to plot the GPS fix in the ECDIS, in the ECDIS also every manufacturer has separate option. We will go to the nav event log, position event. Here instead of LOP you select the GPS position, GPS 1. It will take the GPS 1 position and just press record. It will record the position, and here you can see that GPS 1 position is plotted. So in this way we can plot the position of the GPS. If you have some doubt regarding plotting of the GPS position, please refer your manufacturer manual of the navigation equipment. You will get everything easily. Thank you.